Hello everyone, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. Today we'll discuss augmented and diminished sixth. And at this point you should be familiar with major sixth and minor sixth. Otherwise, check out those videos again before you watch this video. Otherwise, let's dive right into the lesson. So augmented sixth is basically a major sixth raised by a half step. A diminished sixth, it's basically a minor sixth, but flattened by a half step. So let's look at two examples here. For example, here's an augmented sixth example. Say you start from the note C, you grab the fifth first, just like before. So you have G, and then you grab your major sixth first, which is your A, right? If you're looking for the augmented sixth, you simply raise that A by a half step. And A sharp would be the augmented sixth of C. So basically, same procedure. You just alter the final result by raising it. Okay. Same deal here for the diminished sixth interval. Say you start with C, you go to the G, you grab your A flat because that's a half step away from your G, which is A flat is your minor sixth here. Okay. And then you flatten that A flat by a half step to grab your diminished sixth interval. All right, so hopefully that's simple. Let's work out a few exercises. Okay, so I already have a few exercises in mind. So let's do augmented sixth on the left-hand side. All right. So let's start with the C, G, D, A, E. All right. So C, okay. Let's do this one more time. C to G first. I would go for the major sixth. So have whole step here, and I would raise that, and that's your augmented sixth. Okay. So augmented sixth. G, D, that's your perfect fifth. D, E should be your major sixth. Raise that. D, E, F, G, A to B, that's your major sixth. Raise that. Augmented sixth, okay? Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, E, F sharp, that's your major sixth, but you need to raise that, right? So that should be F double sharp. E to E, F, G, A, B, and then that B, C sharp. Okay, so you need to raise that one more time, so you should use a double sharp here. It's the same case here. All right, let's do a few diminished sixth exercise. Say, let's start with F, and then B flat, E flat, A flat. Same procedure here. Grab your perfect fifth first, C, and then get your D flat. I like doing flats because if I need more flats, I simply add more flats, right? So D flat would be your minor sixth, D double flat would be your diminished sixth, okay? B flat, perfect fifth would be F. By now you should be pretty familiar with the fifths, right? F, that should be your G flat, right? Half step apart, but then I need to diminish one. E flat, E, F, G, A, B flat, perfect fifth. Okay, for B flat, from B flat I need a C flat. Is that right? Right. Okay, half step apart. They're already half step apart, so I need another flat here to make it diminished. A flat, A, B, C, D, E flat, E flat, F flat would be your, so E flat, F flat, they would be half step apart, which is great. So that's your minor sixth. Put down another flat here, that should be your diminished sixth, okay? All right, so that's it for the augmented and diminished sixth exercise. I will see you in the next video, all right?